In this video, I'll show you how to rearrange your Instagram posts using the Reorder grid feature. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Next, press and hold on any post in your grid. If the feature is available on your account, you'll see the option called Reorder Grid. Tap on Reorder Grid to enter editing mode. Now you can drag and drop your posts into any order you want. Simply press and hold a post, then move it to its new position in your profile grid. Continue rearranging your posts until you're happy with the layout. Once you're finished, save the changes and return to your profile. Your posts will now appear in the new order you've chosen. And that's how you can rearrange your Instagram profile grid. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.